Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 13.1 question number 4. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. So they are talking about the bottles and the time, that is in hours they are talking. So here let us take a table. So the bottles filled in hours, both are talking in the question. 840 bottles can filled in 6 hours. So write it in this way. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? So in 5 hours, how many bottles will be filled, which you don't know, that you just take it as X. Now, the first thing we have to find out whether it is a direct variation or indirect variation. So time is getting decreased. Definitely the number of filling bottle also will be getting decreased only. Both will be getting decreased. So this will come under direct proportion. Directly proportional we can say. Now if it is a direct proportion problem, we have a shortcut. We have a shortcut to find this value. Now you want to get the value X. So you just write it X is equal to. Now whatever number given along with the X, that should be written first, that is 840. Multiple by, definitely one box will be filled with the two numbers, that should be taken as a fraction. This number you have to consider as 6 by 5. If it is a directly proportional problem, take this fraction as a reciprocal. This is a 6 by 5. We have to write 5 by 6. Now we can cancel this by 6 table. 1 6 are 6. In this 8 we have 1 6. Remainder 2. 4s are 0. So 140 times we are getting 140 multiplied by 5. 0, 22. So 700. So 700 bottles will be filled in 5 hours. In 6 hours 840 bottles filled. In 5 hours only 700 bottles filled. We'll move on to the next problem now. Now look at question number 5. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attained the length of 5 cm. So the original length of the bacteria we don't know. If we are enlarging to 50,000 times, that length will be 5 cm as shown in the diagram. Now what is the actual length of the bacteria? That is the first question. Let us answer the first question, then we can read the remaining problem. Now the original length of the bacteria we don't know. That is actual length we don't know. So let us consider the actual length of the bacteria is X. So we have taken X. So the actual length is how many times it is enlarged? 50,000 times it is enlarged. So X into 50,000 times will be giving you how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. So this is a given question. Now we want to get only the X value. So the multiplication 50,000 you bring it to that side, that will become division. X is equal to 5 divided by 50,000 we have to write. 5 ones are this one 1 and all the zeros will be taken as it is. This is 1 by 10 power 4 we can write it. When denominator 10 power plus 4 is there, when we are bringing it to the numerator, definitely it will become a minus 4. So 10 to the power minus 4, given question in centimeter, so the answer also will be in centimeter. So the actual length of the bacteria is 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. It's very minute. So that's why we are getting the negative power. Now look at the second part of the question. If the photograph enlarged 20,000 times only, what could be the enlarged length they are asking? So from the question, if it is enlarged 50,000 times, this is a enlarged time, what is the length it will attain? That is given in the question. If the bacteria is enlarged 50,000 times, it will reach 5 centimeter length. Now it is enlarged only 20,000 times. What could be the enlarged length they are asking? That we have to take it as X. So the length, enlarging length is decreasing, means definitely whatever length we are getting, that also definitely will get decreased. Both are decreasing at the same time. We can say that they are directly proportional. So this is a direct proportion problem. So since it is a direct proportion problem, we need to find the value for X only. You just write it X is equal to the number given along with the X should be written first along with the multiplication sign. Now the box which is filled should be taken as a fraction. Since it is a direct proportion, we have to take these two numbers reciprocally. So that is 20,000 should be taken in the numerator, 50,000 should be taken in the denominator. 0 zeros will get cancelled. 5 and 5 also will get cancelled. So X is equal to 2. So here it is a centimeter, this also will be centimeter only. So the bacteria will be getting 2 centimeter enlarged length. That is your correct answer, students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.